Hello everybody and welcome to Infinite Google Ads Tracking and GTM app. In this video, we are going to talk about Stape Server setup. So let's get started. It's basically a third party which provides a server. Now let's discuss its pricing plans. You can see it provides a free plan for 10,000 requests, and if your traffic exceeds, you can choose from the other plans according to your requirements. It's a cheaper and budget-friendly option as compared to Google Cloud Server. First of all, you must have an account on Stape. You can see I already have my account here and I'm using the free plan that provides 10,000 requests. Now let's move to the Google Tag Manager. Here I will create a new Stape Server container. You can see these two containers are web-based and the third one is cloud server based. So I'm clicking on create container and writing the container name here. You can see I'm writing Stape Server demo, and then you have to select this option server and click on create. After creating it, you will see two options here: automatically provision tagging server and manually provision tagging server. As I am using the Stape server, so I will select the manually provision tagging server option, and then I will have to copy this link. Now let's move back to the Stape and click on create container. Here I am pasting the code that I copied and then writing the container name here. I'm going with this by default location now. I'm selecting this free plan, so I'm clicking on continue with free plan. You can see your server is created now. Down there you will see domain name. You can also add your first party domain here and in Google Cloud as well. Now copy the domain name and select global CDN from here. Now moving back to the Google Tag Manager. Here you have to click on admin and then on container settings. Here you have to paste the server container URL and then save it. You can see it has been added here. Now click on workspace and then on clients. You can see no client or browser is connected here, and for connecting it you have to move to our app. Click on edit. Here you have to select your Stape server and then you have to select your tagging URL. Now click on save. So now we are completely done with the setup. Now let's move to the Google Tag Manager and reload the page. Here you can see Infinite Web Container Client is added here. Its version will be created automatically. In case if it's not created, you can click on submit. Write its name. And click on publish. Now the data coming from the client will be integrated with the server. Make sure you do the preview from here. I'm clicking on it. Now click on versions. Now click on these three dots of the live version and select preview. Click on connect. Now let's perform some activities in the online store. Let's open this product. You can see even if the ad blocker is installed, the conversions will still get tracked. Now click on continue. Perform add to cart and begin checkout. You can see all these tags are being fired here. So this was all about the Stape server setup of Infinite Google Ads Tracking and GTM app. Now I hope you have got the idea of how to do it. Don't forget to share your feedback with us regarding this app, and thank you for watching this video.